Today, we're diving into Pulse AI, a no-code AI workspace that promises to help anyone build AI tools visually without writing a single line of code. We've spent a few days testing it out, and here's what you need to know. Pulse AI is kind of like a sandbox for automating your ideas with AI. You drag and drop blocks to build workflows, like connecting GPT prompts, conditional logic, webhooks, and more. It aimed at creators, marketers, and businesses who want to leverage AI but don't know how to code. The UI is clean and intuitive. We didn't need a tutorial to get started. It lets you create branching logic and even save user inputs. However, it occasionally lags when you are connecting too many blocks, and the AI responses are decent, but you still need to tweak your prompts for best results. Also, it's still in early stages. You'll see some coming soon features, especially around integration. Pulse AI is perfect for solopreneurs, content creators, or small teams who want to streamline tasks like generating content, handling client inputs, or testing product ideas without hiring a developer. But if you need complex back-end, logic, or API-heavy workflows, it might feel limiting. So does Pulse AI actually work? Yes, for quick builds and prototyping, it's a powerful tool. It's not perfect yet, but it has a serious potential for the no-code feature. Try it out and let us know what you think. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.